News of Ghana.
To have,
Sports, more breaking news. More breaking news.
Internationally approved.
Subscribe, share with others. More breaking news. More breaking news. Around the world of sports. Subscribe, share with others.
Okay, yada say ya chiao we enyumrede fansapa na edina eko wenim poke crowd pan so I don't be adum ye na uhia no pa which me ediye koko ni masa a breakfast say ewian so now they are lunch depending on your super fantastic location. Me need Derek Saint Kizito yatana sia na ye bro stories upon stories poke crowd kakra bi na ye koyanim na enema wi peye. And remember story kakra afa Bobandi Shasinte Kafusa player na ye story e ofia ha ye de goals any ade nyina ato to ho no o pe bi ahwa koyen channel ho yes Asante Kotoko new chap ene one Kotoko training no bibia de them performance wise there is super ye ho na dwuma no time bay mame oh okay 7 days ago o koyen channel ho a obehu Kotoko new striker from Chad. Watch his skills. Goals. Na eto so sa. Va treka krama me ha eni. Okoyen channel wa obehu. This is the thumbnail. That's so kama bibia no. Etumpon kama ewo muti sa ena esitie. Yes, oko channel wa obehu. You be trying so na ye the link no out to this video as the amount nam say ye won ho updates. Ewa ha. Yes, Bobandi Shasinte Kafusa. That is a Chad attacker. Kotoko beye juma de ama omo. Enti omo ako training so akwa yama nipa 3 ako training grounds. Munim se na naba kwa immigration so ntia pod ye but ne ho ye mo ana mo bisa na se nche obeba na bibia tumi atumpo. But yama nipa be miensa independently akwa akohwe no obia nso my solid reporter. A chese guy no super magnificent when it comes to say enema entumpo. E de ho komo kakra be bro. Emmanuel Kote and so a management with regards to Niema Echo, you didn't know Komona Bibia Atimi Tumpon, na and Niema Ako. So on this edition, you have a story about Henry Kwame Ensu, na ma try Eddie Mohammed Shawkan. On say my mom who update upon update, or call one keke one ball, and fama Club African side team no one ball, crown kekibia ma womo, el senior side. But the no story about na story no. Unim that I said ne ya ne say okay and net date yes 29th into January 28th and I'm terminating the contract. Am I so a free agent? Ne hon komo ewa ha but empanyufo bi say no not this time. Enti on Shawkan why not this time? Ya don sem ebeto anim na yakoye nim tentem so Hubert Jeun komo no na e bia na tiakam and I'm say one footballer bia na onim bobo yi pa you kumasini and potamose or peso car say be who be joe any Kotoko management. Ye yam ready beto aso ye nya ye be brought next episode na bibia to me akos.
News around the world of sports. Subscribe, share with others. Sport time with Thank You Zito Club Studio. Presenting side News of Ghana. Sports, more breaking news. More breaking news around the world of sports. Subscribe.
Okay,
bye.
subscribe my na yenko. Yensasia with opponent to watch. Asante Kotoko, any Efoma, the proud of Aibe, Heart of Lion, NBC Akai. I don't be do me a damn that Saturday, 3:30 exactly. About various TV nominee adin to be to me actually Nabi to me Akoso. Kotoko, I and Yemen so in America, unim boom to win him. Yes, and Yama is a Santi in Yanaoma, Amaniama de Danaquema preparation, a super coach, as in a near performance, our training grounds from one, and Yama a tumpong, kama, and on the side of Kotokono, Bibia de Danaquem, na Lord Amwa, and to me, I said I knew fully fantastic training throughout the week, and then last training I bear year, but I'm paying for no Mudin community, Lord Amwa, the precautionary measure. And I know mu take isani ebeye na injury same bin konkoye se ene aggravation bi akwa kotodwa enti likely say na squad anyame boa e kira ho macho betu akopie mu pandom pontene so no bibia betimi awie pay na afi watimi aka ho unless say e bia last check omo checking no esibo so de ene obehu se nei onka ho eno eni nchimu kakra down no e dey my tie for na yetes asem say nei one should anya full training sad this week imu nyina ahead of Heart of Lion game no and panyufo bi catch us precautionary measures and I know mu check anya be serious biasa no they won be say in the last check I check here no now so to me passing let fitness test there most definitely obekwa kuremu asia kan ni bi Emmanuel Kote any ebisa na say oh na say Lord new order any Emmanuel nyame ne ho obeye adwuma e de amaye mpanyufo say he's doing great job at the training grounds but omo manom time frame kakra say omo man load bebre bebo full 90 never plus 5 minutes ka that be enti wahema coach Karim Zito introduce Emmanuel Kote kakra na o increasing the time you know at the cost row enti sabe pepe and Lions see all things being equal ceteris paribus woman be increasing the load you know na kakra na teba na ekonanim sa enti nya de so omo be throw no in a game na a chan kono so akakwa ebionti Emmanuel Kote it's part and parcel of Kotoko squad to Lions na bibia de na kwam kama but mpanifo ebe manage the time or the be see kind duration you know na de be ya any workload you know enkonkwe bebre e won so eno eni nchemu kakra ye de tuja e de ama ye na for training Kotoko side bibia koso enema de na kwam kama mpanifo ni o makasa say Jack na no kure call bibia ni a referee dama e si bo so no ye mo heavy e ma ye kase ye mo heavy a mumomo so ye heavy bibia ye kama enti Jack mo yenko na efomafo edie yenko nkosa anya kakra bi ngu davi garim sana be odi beans ne gumu a Lions for no entumi nie let's go for the kill yenko na 3 maximum points no enya sante Kotoko dia na yenhwe de eda enimti Kotoko fully packed bibia de na kwama ne niema koso Heart of Lion opponent watch woman so training ene Thursday training abawiye ena nwere coolem extra dogly wone ninuanom ene ade obi a fully fitter ene me koso coach Bashiri here for denra made to winning say a normal game this is the word we use here a normal game na omokwa akobo ojai kasaka kra no agemu de amada ne ni agese ni ona wa bo pen mo bo ma ni ade coach mo Kotoko enti ni won so bia na wo kana ni so akas mo normal game ni any players na di nkomo ahead of Asante Kotoko game eba abetodwa Saturday 3:30 pepe no na injury concern Heart of Lion camp there bibia nsie injury made to wanim enra say one of their sponsors First Sky Group akwa womo amuomo tefania de Jack money crobia na ekobo no yeta mochi monsha crobia which monsha crobia na bibia anya ni ade na yensa anya mo heavy more entomo komo mo assault onom ni ade no de yedi hu djuma na team owner Ora Randia Benzo in a goodwill message ama wo mu say Jack Kotoko de onze me share dem feel wo mu me phobia man ntimo me empangum na bibia nkoso mutimi yenkunim di a mo betime nka at the end of the game and opponent watch but injury concern here one players be anya injury but betime can say one 2 players anya offer from one of the teams one monone no say omomra trust yes but anya dia omo ekoye and also omako yes date no somewhere in March more and also information kakira ho no yensa kan ye de ema wonti omo players no be intact omo so mko trust no too no womo enkoye matching na omo beko training akoso said them kan no womo try so mbe shoot from afar enti Kamara ye very poised for action shoot from afar so training no de kakra ye tete ye ehu ye no achikran so say enei ye crosses any ade so practice on some kakra eno Lions planner womo e de ewuramu ahead of Asante Kotoko ena omo sa de ne dene poke crowd heat said the name Prince Badu Bonne de no ebi no de bewuram be first 20 minutes na omo sa slow tempo no down enti Kotoko omo the game no be bring here in our side enti yanso coach kakra akote no wonso de obeya fa ho no adama waye ama bibia wie konim die so ewo mo Henry Kwame Ansu Asante Kotoko player, 27 years of age, and an award December 17th, 1998, and an award for no Henry Ansu, a form no, I had to say, any man on a fuasano, a quart animuna battery out of 4 that sana is it here, not the form, a quart not ba, not in a, and the contract ever we at the end of the season. Dear yet it's in paying for being engaged, na and Comodia Coso, and I'm saying, Omuhuni said, Zachariah Fuseni Vimino, and Yanya Vigo, or here more time to get to the vigor level. Nesanti, Hamzat and so Evrem, na a block coy, no, Omun said, then ya will be a rem, and Tessani a dear one bro. Nesanti, say, Anso's contract you are, almost one. The dimina with the push, experience. Secondly, said you was dear, or you calm, Unyano wants them, or you're very professional. In Timpany for any general, when you keka, when you're bad, in Timpany for they engage them. When you never bury you real lions, a Diana, a Hata, they will sit with him, woman in a better Nancy. Now over the come up with regards to Jack, Ansuna, ye ain't renew way, Nayan share, but my found to your mouth say, offer be a wa bontina, a bema of Ansun Subotomaya da, and paying for ain't seen who quite. But Kotoko, or in chick closer, so when you answer so on tonight, or when him said experience, Ebeboye, Papa Samra, as a Samba, and now China, now the and it's almost tonight. Ebeboa, and no, am Komoka cry, and a to dra eumwa, answer diano, say, or better than a John so, and painful to me for some like no. Now so obe free Kotoko local club will be nominated there. It doesn't look likely, unless say be a APR team now Rwanda, non come be a. Yet Tinia did the only just when you catch a crabra, none, now if I pay be or not be until you percent. This idea, and penny for engage, now after Hearts game, or to me, and then didn't come and be better to me, because say possible renewal, a bit to me, I Juma, Henry Kwame answer dear, and I had the air two and him now. Near your way, cratch back on your friend, Kafusa, Shasente, Bobadi, Tiadini. And you're bombarded, sorry, I'm on for a bono. A Bobandi, 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 and no, and first name. Now the middle name, no, Hyacinth, Shasinte, and on the third name, no, Kafusa, Kafu. Now the sa, Akahon, sa, and a city. On the Kotoko training 7 days ago, and I'm a bear and a whole story. Yes, or a Chadian, no ababo Victoria Guinea, wababo Nigeria, Kaduna United, and 15 Augusto SC, our BI friends at Akonibi, our Victoria Guinea, we see a kind of Eddie Ama paying, and our friends so Tima, and what Dubai, and also what I could see a kind Eddie Ama Dubai club, and an IT fact, in fact, who could buy our 2 teams, and we see a kind Eddie Ama Womo, on the Kotoko train where you attacker, yes, or you attacker. Beyond that, the Dean Kama. The performance wise, the unusual report and another quite gracious. None of the crying to until no. In Tiamaniano Miensa independently, back on a full Kotoko supporter was it, hey, kizu to you and ye bisana was hey, and about consul there. Yamianim Ukraine on your shadow and Philip Kotokomrosa was hey, that I wanted the Miana man signing on also see a year. Third one also. And then you may report to the Amazon Jack, boy, is super. Now, Ukuma's Union presenters and the new Miniko first, I now can't. Nobody that do a bomo until I say it is will be saying, Jack, we heavy. This is the word, boy in the Kayan, and if I Bobandi, Shasinti, Kafusa, Nidino, and no, December 23rd, 2002, and an hour for a war, no 23 years, and our war. Now, Chad national team, now also 10 jersey. Esi akan Emma Womo, and no enchemu kakra ewo na enchemu ni said uko FIFA rules ma FIFA obi ntimi mfiri krofo froso jurisdiction for froso mesia kan emfa team bi ebra onya international transfer certificate ITC uko FIFA rules numa article 9 enti article 9 no professionally and no na ese ebua Emma player your friend is Bobandi Shasinte Kafusa no obetumi anyansa no ababisi akan ama Kotoko die nim I an impanyinfo bi a bank Kotoko di nkomo ne say the performance there top notch omo problem ho wo ma hwehwe ne injury concern onya injury bia won sporting affair mu onyanya injury bia medically nso ye super dia kanyina international transfer certificate na eno ye FIFA rules no article 9 no enene wo mo transfer betimi aba na bibia tim awie peye eba eno nso mo di ram TMS no so transfer matching system no mu and I'm say or a free agent and the free agent there and fa say ya to window and I be a window and one say udi uram not transfer matching system no TMS no ama quantity that is the update ogoswa any Kotoko training every now and then bibia so article 9 mo person musuari and article 9 ekasafa ITC ho and article 19 and also ekasafa ITC ho for woman omo minor under 18 for one. This is the difference. Woman are professional, or more than 18 above no article 9 ekasafa omo and after article 19 and no ekasafa ITC woman minor edi ho enti and also kakra di tudwa ade ama yenete for yankuanim na yenhwe de be free mu edi aba. Okay, yenya adwuma we Mohammed Shawkan player and anu ada no see akan edi mabobo choir friend say Accra Lions. In fact, Oshani Bobo say Kowa Nawa FC. Kowa Naso, yes, okay. Kowa Naso FC. Yes. Eno free ho eko Accra Lions. Akwadai na Kotoko di na chi. Ye chese ye man crofo zoom lion fo nyina ko prapra ni kroma fija ase man no. Ye de esie ye bi akwada so me boss eno oboa. Wo de na china ena akwai ewu na tiko ene Club African sometime. Akwada ko Club African no boy the ball see Jesse ensia kama senior side no omo anche bi da amfa ma senior side no matches enum eno boy de ma elite 19 ena elite 21 Club African junior side no omo porcupine you can say young porcupines wo krom ho ena no omo ball elite 19 ena elite 21 na enei akwada no tena odi no ekro bi super ehene wo bo mu na midfielder na mete a me ne mini anum ketua na ebobo e nka se misara e de no ha dabi hwe dabi ena onfamra onfanko on paper crowd dem 23 crowd fine mini anum under 12 no me ade na ebobo kro bi su Premier League dabi ena mo tena ase onfamra onfanko na mutually wo ma terminating contract no enra into a free agent na amanfo bi say womi ensan ko fa ne no me captains baduni ayi ho master akodai kwan asabio misreka mpanifo mfa ncheme intro twadi na na penkra no mni ade ebi say womi anyai ofasafo jamfi kura di akodai yachi ebi say womi enko fa ne yensan ko try de atie ne say Kotoko mpanifo ze da bi akodai kwan odo mo fa so no de asat now and ne Thursday no ye video de omo venture kwada no nam say onye no kwafo. This is the word that mpanyinfo binom awesa ede ahye ya no ebi say dabi mumyam pushing peke no ebi say dabi akwa ne nya kwada odi nokre say anasa ba ku no ni nokre so yekofa no kwaba no say dabi akwala we nokre no de on printable print enye yi ntia no so eno no mo amope update on Shawkan say why free agent dey Kotoko nko grab no say aye chinwa show in Kotoko management ebi say say ne konya wa let's try ebi say dabi obi akotena be mfie mienu a on keke ball e ma senior side there let's not enkojoki wa ade we ho e ma ne nkonkoye yi nti okoya waba esdo eno Shawkan dia esdo ekoye wasaba opa akocheck mbo ma bo nyina senior side no wa nu ma anyi training crowd even last 2 games omoboy to Chromo Tunisia League ni no Club African Zaxis and a boy omobo goalless draw amobi woman a twabo almost a 3-0 one main stadium okra matches be teams are and that's a game of boy elect 19 and elect 21 woman junior side woman young pocket pint you got to company for a CAC some baka kofa dia misremo mo hwe ne ma yese mo nkofa nso a mo menhwe ye players ayewo ne enwene wo mo eno na ehia tobegum no na ya akoye tobegum ma ha adwene nti mo menhwe ne ma bi ye na bibia no entimi enkoso wano now yakuyanim Hubert Joe story. Okay, when yawa, ya debe kwa next episode. Hubert Joe diano. Na yenu ano, ewa humano so yenina di nkomo. We senior player obo Heroes. Kotoko nomni adi nyina wa bobi wunim no, or popular. Sisi obesi ewa American, Columbus, Ohio. Yes, senior soccer player. Or friend yani wofu, Kizito. Now other na mo say Hubert Joe nko na boss. Min kan bi o. Of I mean can be. Hey, there be of a Kingsley na what Ohio no. Yes, of a way there I'm sure so New York, of a fufro. Of a fufro no bobo. No, see that I'm of a mean can be. Me cry me there, me say of a Kwesiapia project. I'm of a Kwesiapia cry and all cast. Oh, a yarn sir. Inti and you say bia Europe na a bank or no beboa. And Africa the way bet the art of order. Into of a mean can. Was it the only one coming on my dream? And I'm so funny for our experience be share. Was it my venture that so Hubert Joe Yamana Africa country and Aquarano boy Kutano former player and I can say Aquarano boy Kutano who were new boom at the age of say Bia ye can't Aquarano 20 years as of now or so you won 2005 or 20 years there Mumiano now mature kakra or no kind of contract say be 2029 with Kotoko into more premwide de Kilito Uniano Central from Mohajun. And Orlando Pirates cry a call for my friend on one page. Who call now far on the paps and a bebro or maybe an ibino. Timmy Stromo man call. Oh, dear Mamma Quenya Naminka, and Jova, Yabe Frony and next episode, no, you know a dinkomo. After you be jail, Nabi Biako, GH Live Studio and a Kizito Sports. Enter the new one, Eba, Yatu Dinse on the pitch. And no dear fat European teams Nini now and a World Cup. And who's them? World Cup, baby, Ghana, you call any Panama, you call Canada, baby, Ghana, BBC, at the anima, you bear home stories, Eddie Ama, you do River Hotel, no, the Nim, and in the cheap, baby, supporters front, I'm over a buying Echo Jamamo, and also the Black Room be seen soon in the year, and also the Nim, ye about Boston now, baby, in England, Eberbono, baby, a hotel, a FIFA, Edema, Ghana, Black Stars, you better be profane, Eddie Ama, you could PM. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and also you be room na ya church of a beer, to me across World Cup concerning Ghana, the new channel be ba your friend on the pitch, a beer, a football home, and European teams, and the Black Stars, a whole anybody sound but I had there, I have Bobo on the Chinese so any sports, I have one sports, quite so any other you do see na ya upload pocket crowd. New one is on the way. I be told you kama Eddie Ama team for Nabi Bia to me.
See what's more breaking news around the world of sports subscribe.